Switching sports again, despite a quarter-final exit at the International Netball Classic in Florida, the Holy Trinity Under-16 team has returned home, focusing on the positives from the trip. Here's Daniel McLeod.
The Holy Trinity Under-16 netballers saw their campaign ended by eventual champions CARICOM Under-16, going down 6-3 in their quarter-final matchup. While the result was disappointing, head coach Tamara Hilton says the exposure and lessons gained far outweigh the scoreline.
The objective is to just get them exposed to something like this overseas and locally, because they have also entered the Netball Jamaica competition, which is going on right now. So they are getting a lot of netball experience to build their confidence, build their skills.
Team captain Rihanna Simpson and most valuable player Fantasia Lang also highlighted the experience as a major positive, pointing to the growth in their game and a deeper love for netball from the classic.
What I took away from the Netball Classic is teamwork, how to live with my teammates, and it have also shaped me to love netball even more. Well, playing overseas, it's a little better because of the weather, and also we get to see a lot of overseas that challenge us to do our best.
It's a good experience that I play overseas in the International Netball Classic and play for my school, represent my school and my country. I have learned a lot of stuff that I have never learned before, and it was a good time spending up there.
Team manager Francis Reed is now calling for greater support as the program looks to build on their international exposure.
At the beginning when we started, it was only 3 students who was involved, but Coach Tamam was determined, and we're able to build it to the point we are now about 18 students. In terms of just building the program, we are calling upon our past students, both locally and overseas, to come along because, as I said, there are greater things and new things are happening at the Holy Trinity High School.
The team returned this week, encouraged by their performance and eager for what lies ahead. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.